Hey there traders, hope you guys are all doing great today. So I just want to show you this really exciting tool that I came across recently which helps you with your risk. So it actually calculates your risk, and it also does your risk to reward ratio. So it helps you focus on both, which is really essential in your trading. So you're killing two birds with one stone. So if we use it on the strategy that I've been using lately, that I've shown you in the last few videos on this system here, you can also see that today's signal hit our take profit 3. So this is a beautiful system here. So I just want to base the risk tool based upon this strategy over here. Before we do that, I'll just show you guys how to get it. Okay, so you just come into your market down here, and over here you just type in trade position, and you'll see that it comes up where we are under main. So if we type in your trade position, it's this one over here. So you just click on it here and download it. Alright, so once you've downloaded it, it will come in here into your navigator. So it's this one here, the trade position and backtesting tool. So you must have auto trading selected. Let me just quickly remove it here actually, just to show you. Okay, so you just drag and drop it, make sure auto trading is selected. You make sure all of these are ticked, like I've got them ticked over here. And then you just click on OK. Now it will be over here, so you can just drag it to the bottom here. That's where I like to keep it, like here in the corner. Get rid of that. Okay, now to bring it up, all you tap is X on your keyboard. Or you can click on this button here, or you just tap X. Alright, so now that we've got it, so as you can see over here, it calculates your risk. You can either risk 1% or 2%, so I usually risk between 1 and 2%. I'll just set it back on 1%. So how do we use it? So we want to, if it's based on 1%, you can see here how it's calculated. 1% of my account, which is $660 here, which is 1% of the total balance on the account. So you can see if I move the stop loss up and down over here, the balance doesn't change. It's always set at 1% of the account balance. You can see also when I move it up and down, the take profit level is also changing because it's constantly stuck on a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. So if we want to, this is obviously a buy position. If we're looking for a sell, we just click on R over here, and now it'll change it to a sell setup type of risk to reward. But obviously this is a buy, so we want to have it based, at this position over here. So you can see over here, let's just base it on this strategy over here. If I was using it on this strategy earlier, so what you want to do is, if you want to be a bit more free with the risk to reward ratio, you've got to lock these buttons. So now we'll move we'll set this at take profit 3, and we'll move the stop loss down now to where the stop loss level needs to be based on this strategy. Right, now you can see, let me just move that around quickly. As you can see, if we move it around, you'll see the lots will change. So we can have it even at more, we can have a much wider stop loss, but our actual amount that we're risking stays the same. It doesn't change. Although the pips are getting wider, our stop loss is getting wider, our balance, well, the amount that we'll lose is 1%, so this won't change. So that's the really amazing thing, and it's adjusting our lots as we do that. If you watch here, you can see our lots are adjusting to make sure that we're never losing more than 1% of our account. Okay, so you need to have this one-click trading here at the top ISO on board, because there's no button to actually place the trade with this. So you have to place the trade physically, manually on the chart. So if we right-click on the chart, obviously this would be a buy limit. So we'd be entering right here. We'd be looking, we'd need to enter 2.03 up here. So this is how I'd do it. 2.03, so we'd be entering right here. So we'd right click, we'd click on that buy limit at 2.3 lots, We'll set it directly there on the line. Now we need to set our stop loss and our take profit, so we'll double click on it. Now the stop loss will be this numerical value here, 64709. Alright, and the take profit will be this value here, 65200. So it's giving it to us there. So once we've done that, we'll click on modify. Now you can see the whole order's been adjusted. You can see the stop loss and the take profit. Now if we remove this, we take it off the chart, you can see the whole order's set up. Right, so if it hits our stop loss, we'll lose $658 as it calculated. If it goes to the take profit, it'll make $991. If we want to bring it back on the chart and still keep it there, we can do this. We'll just lock it, we'll adjust these. So we can still keep it on the chart, and as the trade plays out, we can monitor our risk to reward and stuff like that, you know, but still based on it. Or you can put it to the side like this. Maybe just move it like that. Or you can just have it on the side of the trade, or however you want to have it. You can also move this around, so you can hide it away down here or in the corner here, or wherever you want to hide that. Alright, so it's a very interesting tool to have, because I'm all about risk management and trading psychology. That's more important than strategy. So I just want to emphasize with followers, you know, on this channel, to get one of these tools. They're normally free. As you can see, this one's completely free. This lot by risk is also free. Go and watch my video on this one, which explains how to use it. You can get this lot by risk. It's a little bit more simpler than this one to use, and it places the trade for you. I might link the video here in this video, so you guys can go watch that. But anyway, guys, if you need help with trading, click on the links down in the description, or start chatting to me on Telegram, and we can have a conversation there about me helping you to learn how to trade, teach you guys exactly how to play this game properly. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Hope this helped. Cheers.